Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about Lordstown Motors, ticker symbol RIDE. They recently had the ticker symbol change from dphc, and when this happened, the stock did take off, was up 10%, and now it's taking a significant crash, 34% down in the past week, now at 1414. So yeah, we're going to talk about the stock. Just before we continue, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy a stock because I said buy it. Don't sell a stock because I say sell it. Do your own due diligence, do your own research before buying into a stock. And before we continue as well, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and any questions you may have, you can leave them in the comments below. And you can also message us on our socials, which is in the description below. So yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, as I mentioned, Lordstown Motors, ticker symbol now RIDE from dphc. A lot of people anticipating this merger, and as you did see, when the merger did come through, the stock took off 10% in a day. But since then, we've seen a lot of short selling, and then the COVID cases has risen in America too. So we've seen that take its toll on the market as a whole. So right now, 34% down the past week, sitting at 1414 right now. And if you didn't know, Lordstown Motors is a fully sized electrical pickup truck, and that's equivalent to around 75 miles per gallon. That's their range, just to put into perspective. And they're not going to start producing until 2021. So all that hype, all the price movement that you saw before was all priced in due to the hype. It's not because the company did anything. So as you can see now, as the short selling has happened, the stock has dipped significantly, almost over 50% from its all-time highs. So yeah, people who are invested in stock right now might have lost a bit of money. But moving on, they do have a capacity of 600,000 vehicles per year, and they already have 1.4 billion in pre-orders, which is quite big. And the stock is still up 14% all time, so it was up 74% just a couple last week, so that is quite a hefty dip from its all-time high. And what am I going to do with this stock? Because I'm invested in it, and currently I'm going to hold the stock. I'm going to try add small positions to every dip. So $14 is a good price to keep adding. And as you may know, Donald Trump is a big fan of Lordstown Motors. So if he does happen to win the election, we could see the stock bounce back slowly. And we just have to put things into perspective as well. So in 2010, there was only 17,000 electrical vehicles on the road. In 2019, we had 7.2 million EV vehicles on the road, and almost 50% of that was in China. And in 2030, as EV starts to flow in and starts to become mandatory in certain places, we could see over 100 million electrical vehicles on the road. And that in a whole would just mean more production for the electrical vehicle space as a whole, including Lordstown Motors. So I believe if you do hold into the stock, it could triple in the next few years. So just have to be patient with it. I'm not going to be selling the stock. I'm not going to be cutting any losses. I'll just try to add to my position, hold what I have so far, and just hope for the best, because I do believe this is a good company. 10% owned by Workhorse. They do have good fundamentals, and I do see them going far. And with Donald Trump coming and taking a look at the vehicles, it does show they do have the government's approval as well, and they do have good valuation as well. So I feel like it's a good long-term buy. So yeah, any price below 15, I feel like is a good buy for the stock, especially if you're holding on to it right now. It's not one I would recommend selling. Long term, every vehicle that is bought will save the owner $10,000 in that vehicle's lifetime, compared to them buying a gas vehicle. So that is one thing also to put into perspective. There's major savings with electrical vehicles like these in the future, which is why they're going to become more popular, because who doesn't want to save $10,000 long term? So yeah, that's it for the stocks. Not too much more to say. We'll keep you updated with any news that comes out. As you may know, the USPS deal for Workhorse should be announced by the end of the year. And if they do win it, this can also push the stock up a bit as well, as it is 10% owned by Workhorse. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment any questions you do have below, check out our socials, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next video.